Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you about Deloitte update, the latest update which comes from the Deloitte. Those people was getting goodies email on 5th May 2026, and some of the are getting their goodies, or some peoples are also waiting goodies now. So this is basically mail update for the those people who did not get their goodies still now, and it is also update for the who get their goodies. So basically, yesterday there was two mail came from the Deloitte. One email is for the your goodies survey, like your tracking ID in from the Deloitte. They sending you tracking ID. If you are still not getting your goodies, then you can reach out. And in this image, you can see here, email is mentioned. So if you think if you are not getting your Deloitte goodies, and you think you will send an email to this email, then you will get reply from the official Deloitte. But it is not, because it is a logistics company which helps you to transport your logistics or your items from different city to city. So still you are not getting your goodies, and I am giving you some proof of this. You can see this is the company basically. Okay, and it's help you to transfer your gift from different to different cities. So you can also here for the contact, but you will not get reply from the this company because they don't know their product. If you're getting your tracking ID, then you can reach out. If you're not, then you cannot reach out. So now, one another email which comes from the Deloitte is discover your impact basically. It is for those students who already get their goodies, and they sent one video which helps to the, and according to this, maybe those are getting their goodies maybe after few weeks or days, not days, after few weeks or months, they will join to the Deloitte. So thank you for this video. I will give you another update if comes early. So let meets in the next another video. Thank you. Let's subscribe it and join the our WhatsApp group for the latest update.